Okay. So we'll be starting the second chapter today. All open chapter 2, page number 13, The Wind. It is a very short poem, a very easy poem. The poem is only of 8 lines, right?
Yes, sir.
Very easy and very simple, and you'll understand this chapter very nicely. Very good chapter it is. Okay?
Sir.
Yes, okay. All have opened?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait, students. I'm going to share the screen of the chapter and you will be seeing from it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the name of the chapter?
Sir, the wind. Sir, the wind.
Okay, good.
The wind.
The wind is invincible. We cannot see it, but we can feel its presence. It's the life-giving in the living beings. In this poem, the poet has described the existence of the wind. Okay? So here the chapter tells about that the wind is invincible. What does invincible means? It means which
invisible, sir.
yes.
Sir, किसी को दिखाई नहीं देना.
Yes, which means you cannot see. See, in English class, speak in English only. Invisible means you cannot see. Right?
Yes, sir.
You already know this. We cannot see the wind, but we can feel the presence of wind. Okay, let me give you an example. Suppose you switch off your fan. You don't feel anything, right? But as soon as you turn on your fan, you feel that the air is blowing, right?
Yes, sir.
When
Yes,
rain
sir.
comes, if the wind also comes, right? You can feel
Yes,
the wind blowing. So this is what it is given. You cannot see the wind, but you can definitely feel the presence of the wind, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And in this poem, we'll be studying about the existence of the wind. A very simple poem it is only 8 lines and very easy to understand. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So let us start the chapter. Okay. All read together. Who has seen the wind? All read after me.
Who has seen the wind?
Neither I nor you.
Neither I nor you.
But when the leaves hang trembling,
But when the leaves hang trembling,
the wind is passing through.
the wind is passing through.
Who has seen the wind?
Who has seen the wind?
Neither I nor neither you nor
Neither you nor I.
But when the trees bow down their heads,
But when the trees bow down their heads,
the wind is passing by.
the wind is passing by.
So the chapter is the poem is only of this much, only of 8 lines. The poem simply tells you that who has seen the wind. The poet asks the question. See the first line, okay? Who has seen the questions, right? Because you can find question mark here, right? It is an question sentence. The poet is asking a question to the readers that who has seen the wind. Okay?
So
Is that neither I nor you
Neither I nor
the wind. You have also not seen the wind, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. He says that, but we can definitely see when the wind blows, the leaves also start trembling. The leaves also start to blow with the wind, right? When
Yes,
you can find the leaves also blowing with the wind.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
That is trembling. Trembling means shaking. Okay? Trembling means shaking. So the poet says that we have not seen the wind. Okay? Now ask the question.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Is my voice clear, Ananya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Shiv Shankar, what has happened to you? Okay. Now see here. The poet is asking that who has seen the wind? Neither I have seen the wind.
You.
Feel that the wind is there. We can feel the presence of wind. How? By when the leaves starts to shake. When the leaves start to shake or it starts to blow, we can say that the wind is passing through. Okay, we can say that the wind is blowing at that time, because by the wind only the leaves will shake. By the wind only the leaves will blow. Right? So
Yes, sir.
this is the sign by which we can tell that the wind is blowing. Now see the second
Yes, sir.
paragraph. Who has seen the wind? Again, the poet asks a question.
Sir, neither. Sir, neither. Neither.
You nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. See, this first line and fifth line is same, right? But
Yes,
see
sir.
the
Sir,
second
your
line,
voice is not
here
clear.
it is neither I nor you, but here it is written neither you nor I. Opposite the poet has written.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, why the poet has the
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Shiv Shankar, my voice is clear to the others. So here the poet is saying, in the first paragraph, the poet is saying, you can also not see the wind. First he's saying about things, I cannot see the wind, you cannot see the wind. But in the sixth line, the poet says, neither you can see nor I can see. Why he saying second line, neither I nor you. But in the sixth line, he says, neither you nor I. Just to make the reader understand that no one can see the wind. Very clear?
Yes, sir.
You can see, or neither you can see nor I can see. Nobody can see the wind. Okay?
Okay, sir.
But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Now there's one more sign. You can see the winds now bowing their head like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
पत्ते झुक जाते हैं, right? When the wind blows, by this sign you can understand that the wind is blowing. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is there in this is only there in the poem. The
Sir,
poem
can I explain?
Yes, wait. The poem only tells about the existence of wind. How you can say that the wind is blowing? The poet only says in the poem that though we cannot see the wind by our naked eyes, but we can feel the presence of the wind by the things happening around, by the leaves trembling, by the leaves shaking, by the trees also bowing their heads. Understood? By these things we can see that the wind is blowing. Any problem?
No, sir. Sir.
No problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now can you people explain me the poem?
Yes, sir. Sir, I can explain in English.
Good. Very good. Yes, please explain first.
Yes, sir, in English.
Yes, you have to explain in English, okay?
Who have seen the wind, neither I nor you.
Wind.
In this, the poet is
It is not wind, it is wind.
who this poem, the poet is saying in first paragraph, have you seen the wind? He's asking question,
Wind, it is wind.
have you seen the wind? I am also not able.
Don't say it as wind, it is wind, dear.
Have you seen the wind?
Yes.
I also not able to see the wind, and you are also not able to see the wind. But when the trees hang trembling, the wind is passing through.
Very good. Very good. Yes.
But when wind blows, the leaves are hang trembling,
Okay. Good attempt. Good attempt. Very good.
and the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. In this
Again, what you are saying?
paragraph,
It is wind or wind?
who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. In this paragraph, poet is also asking questions. Have you seen the wind? I am also not able to see wind, and you are not also able to see wind. But when the wind wind blows, the tree go down their heads.
Very good. Very good. And
The wind is passing through.
very good. Very good. Very good. All clap hands for Anubha. Very good. Very good. Very good. Ananya, you can tell me, you can explain the chapter?
Yes, sir. Sir, who has seen the wind? Sir, neither I nor you. Sir, I explain you Hindi.
No. In English. You are in English
Okay, sir.
medium school, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
I have seen the wind,
Yes.
and neither I nor you. I see the wind, and you are also see the wind.
Yes.
Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, but the leaves are trembling, hang trembling.
Okay.
The wind is passing through.
Yes. Okay. Good attempt. Yes.
Next person. So seeing the wind. And so I cannot see the wind. Neither you nor I.
Yes.
But when the trees fall down their heads,
Yes.
sir, the wind is passing by.
Wind is passing through. Good. Good attempt. Very good. Good attempt. Okay. Okay. Good attempt. Very happy with you. Very good.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, students. Okay. Now, open the book, turn the page, and this is the first exercise. Okay? This
Yes,
is
sir.
the first exercise that you have to do. Okay? Complete the lines of the poem. Complete the lines of the poem. Come on, take your pencil and write the lines. Complete the lines. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Has seen the wind.
Wind.
Okay? Write down who has seen the wind. Neither I nor you. Neither I nor you. Okay? But when the winds, but when the leaves hang trembling, but when the winds hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, done.
Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay, students. Now what you will do, open your copy, okay? Open your copy and write down your chapter is complete. Open your copy and
Yes,
write
sir.
down today's date. Write down today's date. 6/4/21. Okay? And write down the name of the chapter. Chapter 2. What is the name of the chapter? The Wind.
The wind. Yes, sir.
The wind. All do this. Very good. And then leave 2 lines and write the heading difficult words. Okay? Write the heading
Yes, sir.
difficult words and underline it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, you will leave 2 lines. Okay? So you,
Okay,
or you
sir.
will leave 1 line. Okay? And you will write in 1 line 3 words. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
1 line, how many words? 1 line.
Sir, 3 words.
Come on, do
Sir,
it very
3
quickly.
words.
The time is going to get over. Do it very quickly. Sure, now you've understood the chapter, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come on. Write down the words. Scene. Okay. The next word is wind. Okay. And the next word is neither. Next word is, I'm writing the word, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. These words are there. These many words, write it in your copy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, done.
Good. Okay, now let us revise these words. First word is seen. Okay? First word
Yes,
is seen. Second
Yes, sir.
word is wind. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, third word is
Neither. Sir, neither.
third word is neither. Okay? Fourth word is leaves. Fifth
Yes,
word
sir.
is hand.
So
Sixth,
like this.
trembling. Yes. Yes, Anubhav. Seventh word is passing. Eighth word is through. Ninth word is heads. 10th word is bow. 11th word is invisible. And 12th word is presence. Okay?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Understood now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No problem? All have written?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sure? Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So today I will share you the question answers of this chapter, and you will be doing in your in which you will be doing in your English literature copy.
Yes.
I'll share the PDF today, okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, I
Yes, sir.
sent it also.
Yes, you can send this also and write your homework in your diary.
Copy.
What?
Sir, write word meaning in copy.
I will share you everything. Yes, you have to write word meaning in copy, and question answers I will share you today, okay?
Sir, I made
Okay,
sentence also.
Everything I will share you.
So what is homework?
Homework. Yes. Write it in your diaries. Okay. Have you all written? Quickly write it down. Quickly, I have another class also. Quickly. All have written? Okay. So I'm ending this class.